Shook.
Oh my god. It's not Shook. That's stupid C4.
That looks like Gwen. What the fuck?
Who is this guy? Oh, Bobby. Bobby, get out of here, Bobby. Let's go.
What? No, wait, let me see it. Mine free.
What is that kid doing? Oh, Simon.
Hey, get that crap out of here!
Oh, Johnny boy.
You need to record a warm-up.
Do it.
I can do that right now, Taylor.